Alright, what's good, you guys? I'm gonna do this AM Pro 2 60% dual mode mechanical keyboard unboxing. It says keep doing the same thing, make change. It's a little odd. Keep doing the same thing, make change. Alright. So we have some information here on the back. Magic FN key, double FN, tap key, full RGB backlight, offline macro, software control center. So I'll go ahead and just briefly check these out real quick. Magic FN key, caps lock. While retain the original caps lock key function, the magic key can copy the FN key function that gives you quick access to media player, custom function, and etc. the same as FN. Double FN. Double FN key that gives you quick access to media player, homepage, customer function, and etc. Tap key. Press and release the same modified key without other key. Will trigger the custom function that we can input the up, down, left, and right key on 60% keyboard directly without FN. Okay, so these are just rough translations, but you're getting the picture. Full RGB backlight. Each key can be seen RGB backlit independent. Offline macro. Up to 16 groups offline macro programs that make your working or playing games easily. Software control center. Multi-platform software. Make customization easy and create the most complicated lighting effects in seconds. Alright, cool. So they did their best job at translating that. Let's see here. It's upside down. So we got AM Pro 2 white backlit RGB with the Gadrion browns. Alright, so let's go ahead and hop right into this. Okay, so we opened up here and we have a protective film. Okay. Oh wow. So, alright, very nice. Protect it while it's shipping. It's got has these extra protective sides to protect it from bouncing around. Ah, there we go. Cool. That just pops out. And then it looks like we have some custom. Wow, these are really nice. These are really fun. You can kind of customize and do what you want. And then they got the Beats Red cord. Is this made by Beats by Dre? No, I'm not sponsored. I don't think they are either. Alright, so that's cool. And look at this. This is a keycap remover. A nice little metal one, it seems. Yeah. Plastic tip. Seems kind of solid. Cool. Alright, so that's it for the inside of the box. Those are the contents that it comes with. Now let's slide this bad boy and get this guy out. Or should I say this gal. Her name is Anne. Okay. Looks very, very clean. Nice and crisp. Go ahead and show that off. Yeah, that's nice. That's really nice. 60% keyboard. Very nice. Oh, wow. Wow. That's... Interesting. Now this is my first keyboard. Besides using, I've never used mechanical keyboards, I don't believe. Just got my iBuyPower gaming PC. And then decided to get the 60% keyboard. Went with the AM Pro 2. Yeah, so, I mean, from the computers that I've used Apple's, I've used Macs. And these are the Gadrion Browns. Yeah. So I'm not too sure what's in this iBuy, because my iBuy power over here. I'm not too sure what these are in this. I might have to look that up. But I can definitely, there's a few, there's, you know. Okay. Interesting. I like that. I like it. It's really nice. It feels like another level. Feels like some work was put into it. You know, I guess I like that feel for these Gatereon. How do you pronounce it? Gatereon? Yeah, the Gatereon Browns. Cool. All right. So that's Miss Anne Frank. I mean Anne Pro. Oh my goodness, terrible. This is the Anne Frank. Sick. Okay, so let's do a recap. Got the Anne Pro 2 keyboard, the custom keycaps. Should come with your USB and comes with a keycap remover. Very nice, well packaged. Just what I like, straight to the business, straight to the point. You have to download Oben's Lab. What?